Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Nissan Murano rear wiper. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a new rear wiper blade specifically designed for your Murano, along with a small flathead screwdriver. Before we begin, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is completely off. This ensures a secure and straightforward process. We will focus on the two main parts, the wiper arm and the blade itself, making this a simple task for anyone. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Carefully lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it stands upright and locks into position. Next, look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You will find a small release tab or button there. Press this tab firmly, and then simply slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm's hook. It should come off with minimal effort, preparing us for the new installation. With the old blade removed, it is time to install your new one. Take your new Nissan Murano rear wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Gently slide the new blade onto the arm. You should hear a distinct click, indicating that it is securely locked into place. Once the new blade is firmly attached, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window surface. Ensure it rests flat against the glass. Finally, let's perform a quick test to ensure everything is working perfectly. Turn on your vehicle's ignition and activate the rear wiper function. Observe the new blade as it moves across the window. It should make full, even contact with the glass and clear away any moisture effectively, without streaking. Remember to regularly inspect your wiper blades for any signs of wear or damage, ensuring optimal visibility and safety for many miles to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.